After clearing footpath encroachments, the Greater Bengaluru Authority is preparing for its next enforcement drive. From July 10th, abandoned vehicles parked on public roads and open spaces across Bengaluru will be identified, towed, and eventually auctioned if left unclaimed. The drive will be carried out jointly by the Greater Bengaluru Authority's 5 city corporations and the Bengaluru Traffic Police under Section 324 of the GBA Act 2024. A public notice has already been issued. Officials will first paste a notice on vehicles identified as abandoned and also fit a wheel clamp. Owners will be given 7 days to remove their vehicles. If they fail to do so, the vehicles will be towed. The authorities will then seek court permission to auction the unclaimed vehicles, after which no claims will be entertained. Traffic police have also begun contacting owners, asking them to remove their vehicles before the deadline. Authorities said owners who remove their vehicles before towing will only have to pay the applicable no parking fee. However, once a vehicle is towed, additional towing charges and penalties will have to be paid for its release. The GBA has also appealed to citizens to participate in the drive by reporting abandoned vehicles through the Public Eye feature on the BTP Astrum app.